Om Shanti Yogis. In today's session, we're going to go over to the common alignment of side angle pose and revolved side angle pose. Yesterday, we talked about triangle pose and revolved triangle pose. So whenever you're ready, let's begin. Sit in any comfortable pose. Keep your spine straight, nice and long. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. Inhale and then exhale. Let's begin today's session with Om chanting 3 times. Inhale. Just find the stillness at the very bottom of your heart. Just feel the vibration of the effect of the Om chanting. Bring your hands together in front of your heart center. Bow your head down. Pray to the God for today's energy, for today's practice. Now open your eyes while blinking and namaste to everyone. So whenever you're ready, find yourself into the tabletop. Before we get into the posture, we'll warm up ourselves. Hands directly underneath your shoulders, knees directly underneath your hips. Press your both hands, flatten on the floor. Now as you inhale, lift your head up, reach high. Make your chin pointed upward. As you exhale, lower your head down, hump on your back. Squeeze your hips in, pushing your hips forward. Now as you inhale, lift your head up, reach high. As you exhale, lower your head down, hump on your back. Squeeze your hips in. Now from here, maybe you can lean forward, but make sure you don't make any arc on your back. Squeeze your hips in and then keep leaning forward. Keep pressing your fingertips down on your mat. And then move back. Inhale, lift your head up. And then exhale, lower your head down, hump on your back. Squeeze your hips in, pushing your hips forward. Now one more time, inhale, lift your head up, gather your all energy together. And then exhale again, hump on your back. Set an intention for today's practice. Now bring your spine back to the neutral position for the tabletop. Now as you inhale, stretch your right hand forward. It's very important to stretch your sideways in the side angle pose. First, we'll start with the side stretches. Extend your right hand forward. And then keep pushing your hand forward further than your shoulder socket. And then put your right outer edge of your palm on your mat. Now try to make a cup of finger with your left hand and keep pushing your shoulder blade down. Right shoulder blade down and keep pushing down and lift your head up to the left side. Stretch. Keep dragging your hand forward and feel that nice extension on your right under armpit. Take a deep breath in, breathe out, keep pushing forward. Inhale and then exhale. Now with the next exhalation, bring your hand back to the center for the tabletop. With the next inhalation, stretch your left hand forward parallel to the ground. And then exhale, push your hand further than the shoulder socket and then press your outer edge of your palm on your mat. Now make a cup of finger with your right hand and then sink your shoulder down and try to lift your head up. Keep pushing down, keep stretching, and then hold there. 1, 2, feel that nice extension on your left shoulder. 3, 4, and then 5. Exhale, release your hand back to the tabletop. Toes tucked in, Inhale, lift your head up, roll your shoulders backward. And then exhale, lower your head down, hump on your back for the cat and cow. Inhale again, head up, look up high to the ceiling, press your hands on your mat. Exhale, head down, hump on your back, squeeze your hips in. Keep pushing forward. Now lean forward, press your fingertips down, tuck your toes under, and then lift your knees off the floor into the plank. Make a big hump on your upper back, not on your lower back. Squeeze, keep pressing your hands, engage your chest, engage your abdomen together, and slightly lean more forward. If you cannot lean too much forward, then you can keep your shoulders right above your hands and stay. For 3, 2, and 1. Now reach your hips high for the downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try to push your heels down one by one. Bend your one leg at a time. Release all the tension from there. Push your right heel and then left heel. Keep pushing down one by one. Breathe in, breathe out. Now send your right leg back up high in the air. Suck your lower belly in and then exhale. Step your right leg forward in between your both hands. Sink your hips down. Drop your back knee on the floor. Untuck your toes. Flatten your back foot. Inhale. Stretch your hands up over the head. Sink your hips down. Keep pushing forward. And then rotate your hands outward and bend your elbows into cactus hands. Spread your fingers out. Look up high. And try to sustain this elevation from your thoracic region. Okay, no need to just bend backward. You need to just first sustain that elevation in your thoracic region and then bend backward. Deep breath in, deep breath out. And then exhale, put your hands on your mat and then press your hands down. Extend your front leg at the knee. Walk your hands forward. Keep stretching. Make a cup of finger with your both hands. Pull your toes back towards you. Inhale, swing yourself forward. Push your hips down. Stretch your back leg. And then exhale. Extend your front leg at the knee. Lower your head down. Inhale, again swing yourself forward. Push your hips down. Reach upward. And then exhale. Extend your front leg at the knee. Lower your head down. Stretch. Keep pushing forward and hold there for 3, 2, and 1. Inhale again, swing yourself forward, push your hips down, sink your hips down, stretch and feel that nice extension on your back of your leg, on your hamstring. And then exhale, press your palms on your mat, send your right leg again back up in the air for 3-leg downward facing dog, stretch upward. Exhale, step your right leg in between your both hands. Keep your back leg straight. Don't drop your back knee on the floor. Keep your back leg straight and active. Look front and then exhale. Step your left leg forward to meet your right leg in the forward bend. Now with the next inhalation, stretch your arms over the head. Make a nice arc on your back. Join your hands together. Push your hands backward. Rotate your shoulders back. And hold for 3. No need to push your hips forward. Okay, if you're pushing your hips forward, then you will have a lot of pressure on your lower back. Make sure you're bending from your upper back. Your hands are rotating outward and elevate them high as possible. With the next exhalation, bend completely down. Put your hands down either side of your both feet. Inhale, halfway look up. And then exhale, press your hands, bend your knees and jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana, upward facing dog. And then exhale, downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Stretch your one leg at a time. Keep pushing forward. Breathe in, breathe out normally. Send your left leg up in the air. Exhale, left leg forward between your both hands. Drop your back knee on the floor into Asva Sanchalana, horse riding pose. Make a cup of finger. Rotate your shoulders back. And then stretch your hands upward. You can push your front leg away from the center of your body so that you can feel more stretch on your back leg. Bend your elbows into cactus hands. Spread your fingers out. Breathe in, breathe out here. Inhale and then forcefully exhale out. Feel that more extension on your back leg as you push your hip down. With the next exhalation, put your hands on your mat, either side of your front leg, and then move your hips backward. Lift your toes off the floor and then extend your hands forward. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale again, swing yourself forward, sink your hips down, lift your chest up, reach high, and then exhale again, move your hips backward, extend your front leg at the knee, walk your hands forward, stretch. Inhale again, swing yourself forward, push your hips down, stretch, look front, chest open. Now exhale, tuck your back toes under, press your both hands down, and then send your left leg back up in the air for 3-leg downward facing dog. Reach high. Exhale, step your left leg again forward in between your both hands, back leg is straight up. Back leg engaged and active. Exhale, right leg forward to meet your left leg in the forward bend, completely bend down. Inhale, sweep your arms up over the head, make a nice arc on your back. You can interlock your fingers and then push your hands away from your head. Keep elevating high from your thoracic region. Stretch upward and then exhale, release back to Samasthiti. So as we talked in the beginning, we're going to go further to the side angle pose. So how to get into this posture in Ashtanga Vinyasa? First you have to bend your right leg at the knee. Now with the next exhalation, send your right leg back with a 1 leg distance apart or more than 1 leg distance apart according to your height. Turn your right foot out, left foot in, and then straighten your both arms to the side. Look at your right palm and then bend your front leg at the knee into 90-degree angle or above the 90-degree angle. Make sure you're not pushing hip completely down, otherwise you're gonna just hang into the joints. Okay, we need to just engage. We have to find that resistance more than the gravitational force. So make sure your thighs are engaged. Straighten your arms to the side. Now go forward towards your right hand. Pull your abdomen in. Don't let your hips sink forward. You have to squeeze your hips inward so that your outer rotation will come on your back leg. Go forward and then try to put your hand down on your mat. Either you can put it outside or inside as per your comfort. But if you are going to put it inside, then you can easily push your front leg away from the center of your body. After this, you have to swing your left hand up over the ear. Rotate your hand outward again. Reach up high and hold there. 1, 2, keep rotating. 3, 4, and then 5. Inhale back to the center. Stretch your arms to the side and then exhale, release your hands. Now we will use the prop, or you can use the block in front beside your foot. Again, go forward towards your right hand and then put your right hand down on your mat. See, whenever you're getting props in your yoga poses, at that time what actually like to happening in there, you're going to modify that posture in such a way where you can get the maximum benefit. Okay, so whenever you're getting height from the floor, you will feel more, you will bring more awareness from the floor towards your body. So always try to use the prop. This is how you can easily modify the posture and you can have maximum benefit from there. See, when I'm using the prop, I can easily feel that, more consciousness towards my entire body, on my back leg, on my front leg, and on my outer edges of my foot. Keep stretching, rotate your upper hand outward and hold there for 3. Breathe in, breathe out. 2, and then 1. With the next inhalation, swing yourself back to the center and then exhale. If you're tired with your right leg, then you have to switch to the other side. Turn your left foot out. Adjust the block right here beside your left foot. Now stretch your both hands to the side. Go forward towards your left hand. Bend your front leg at the knee and then place your left hand down. Sweep your right arm up over the ear. Pull your lower belly in. Stretch upward. Breathe in, breathe out there. 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 1. Inhale again, come back to the center and then exhale. We will switch to revolved side angle pose or Parivarta Parsva Konasana. Now this time you will use the block outside of your palm. Okay, then you have to first keep your hips square towards your right leg, and then straighten your left hand up over the ear. Make sure you're twisting your back leg completely inward and your hips are completely square towards your right leg. Okay, and your back leg will start to rotate inward, front leg will be into the neutral position, or whether you can take it out or in as per your comfort, but make sure your front leg is bent. Now sweep your left hand up over the ear. As you exhale, bend forward and then put your hand down on the block, and then sweep your left hand up over the ear. Twist your spine completely out. Look at your palm if you can, otherwise you can look backward towards your under armpit, and hold there for 3, 2, 1, and then inhale, swing back to the center, and then exhale, release. Okay, let's do it on the other side so that it's going to be balanced. Bend your front leg at the knee, extend your arms up over the head, and then lean forward. Now put your right hand on the left side of your left leg, and then sweep your right arm up over the ear. Make sure you're not lifting your back outrage of your foot like this. Make sure you're pressing from the back outrage of your foot and then reaching high, and hold there. 5, 4, 3, deepen the posture with every inhalation and exhalation. 2 and 1, inhale back to the center, and then exhale, release back to Samasthiti. Shake your legs, shake your thighs. Take a few moments here to observe your body again. Take your time to release back to the natural breath. Inhale and then exhale. Inhale and then exhale. Let's finish today's session with 1 Om followed by 3 Shanti. Join your hands together in front of your heart center. Chin parallel to the ground. Take a deep breath in to chant. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your hands together. Place your palms on your closed eyes. While blinking, open your eyes. Show some gratitude towards the God, towards the Mother Nature. Honor yourself, honor your practice. Open your eyes and namaste.